Natural home remedies regarding how to get fair skin fast permanently. True, fairness can't be achieved overnight and you have to go stage by stage to offer the preferred results. However, that shouldn't prevent you from trying these natural home remedies to get fair skin in a single day. Since they've been prepared using 100% natural ingredients, the skin is saved in the rigours of harm that market-ready skincare products may cause. Listed here are top remedies for fair skin. Turmeric for whiter, fairer skin. Combine 2 spoons filled with honey with 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Create a paste and apply on face and neck. Allow it to dry for half an hour. Wash with water. Tomato for skin darkness. Blend 1 tomato with 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Apply on face and neck. Leave for 25 minutes. Rinse with water. Honey Lemon Instant Fairness Face Mask. To 2 teaspoons honey add 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed fresh lemon juice. Combine both ingredients together to create a smooth paste. Use the paste all around the face and allow dry for 15-20 minutes. Wash with warm water. Repeat a minimum of 3 times per week for soft, fairer searching skin.